Welcome to Fibocan's YouTube channel. You have done the right decision in your life by coming into Fibocan's YouTube channel. Who is Fibocan? Fibocan is a wealth enabler. How do we enable wealth? We enable wealth through training, coaching, mentoring, enabling students, investors to devise their own investment strategies through our comprehensive training programs and innovative investment strategies. So what do? We have published educational videos 1 to 16, module 1 to 16 in English and Tamil. The modules that start from basics of banking, capital market, investments, how to do investment, technical analysis, options, futures, then strategies of options and futures, and finally income tax on derivatives. To begin with, all these 16 modules are available both in English and Tamil. I would request you to go and select the appropriate playlist and watch all the videos and put your comments. So that is the step one. Every day we put videos about market commentaries. Please understand that we are not SEBI registered. Hence, we cannot give any recommendations. We will say whether it is looking good, technically sound, technically weak, has to be cautious. These kind of things we will give, but we will not give any price targets, or we will not give any stock recommendations. Only thing is that we are here to give technical education, imparting technical knowledge to anyone and everyone through our free educational videos, which we put every day on the daily markets, and during weekends we put about global markets. So I would request and encourage anyone in the age group of 17, 18, those who are studying in HSC, higher secondary or plus 2, to watch module 1 to 4, definitely either in English or Tamil, whichever language you understand out of these two languages. And anybody who is doing BA, BCom should watch up to module 8. And those who are doing MBA, CA, CFA or any professional or postgraduates should watch up to module 15. And for professional traders, it is ideally suited for them to watch module 16. I am sure that you will enjoy watching and enhancing your knowledge. Thank you very much. Today is November 11, 2023, Saturday. As always, in the weekends, we discuss about the global markets, right? We will be discussing the global markets for the week of November 6th, Monday to November 10, 2023, Friday. So we'll divide the videos into 3 parts. 3 videos we'll put. Okay, you can go into the appropriate playlist and select and see the old videos if you want. We will put US markets and global indices, that is Dow, Nasdaq, S&P and FTSE, and that will be available in the US markets playlist. And in part 2 of the video, which is nothing but dollar index and its components, in the playlist you can go and select dollar index. There you can see that. And part 3 of the video is US 10-year treasury yield, Brent and NYMEX. That's put in the US 10-year yield and oil. I think that is the heading of playlist I have given. So we can select the old videos also by going into the appropriate playlist and watch them, so that you will know how powerful the technical analysis is. So many people say that technical analysis cannot do anything. It's not the problem of technical analysis, but the problem with the people who are doing the technical analysis. Okay, technical analysis is always accurate. Anyway, with that background, let's go into that. First, the rates. Dow closed 34,283.10, 0.7% up this week. Nasdaq closed 13,798.11, 2.4% up this week. S&P 4415.24, 1.3% up this week. FTSE down 0.8%, closed at 7360. Overall, in this month, last time when we had said that in that November itself it has shot up everything, Dow has gone up by 3.7%, Nasdaq 7.5%, S&P 5.3% and FTSE 0.5% up. In this year, Dow is up now 3.4%. If you recollect, we had said that the previous month when it was ending, we said that it is just below the previous year's close, but it can't be there for long. It is going to go up. That's what we said. Right, it's up 3.4% this year. Nasdaq is up 32% this year, or 31.8 to be very precise, and S&P is up 15%, while FTSE is flat. It is 1.22% down. what happened in the last week and in this month. Okay, if you recollect, last week itself we had given how the 3 days itself it started showing to perform. Why? Because if you see my October end video itself, we had said that it will close with another solid red candle, but November it has a chance of forming rising three methods. That means it is a powerful short covering rally. That is what had happened. Last week it formed a solid green candle, closing the week powerfully, and this week it continued with yet another solid green candle, but not a very big green candle. In fact, I expected a kind of a doji, but it formed a green candle. So what is happening in the entire process? Dow, Nasdaq and S&P, in the weekly it has closed above all the exponential moving averages and moving up powerfully. In the monthly chart, it has formed a rising three methods, a powerful green candle after three red candles in the last 3 months. That is October, September and August. From August to October, it had formed three red candles, and in November, it has shot up forming a powerful green candle. It's a typical short covering rally, and we expect some more rise in this month, but probably next week can be a little sideways. I expect slight pullback or this one profit booking can come in, but largely the key levels have been taken out decisively. If you recollect, last week we had said that the 100-day moving average is acting as a resistance. That is the last defense that is available for bears. That is broken decisively, at least in the case of Nasdaq and S&P. In the case of Dow also, it has broken, but I would call it as a decisive break because it has closed solidly above that. So now the bulls will not leave the 100-day moving average. That means it's going to act as a very powerful support. Any pullback that is coming in is an opportunity, at least in the global markets, for people to enter with a long-term view because it is on a significant uptrend. In the daily chart also, the Bollinger upper bands are moving and the price is also moving up nicely. That's a beautiful sight as if you are a bull to watch and you hold the position, you can see your prices going up beautifully. That is what. So overall, the texture structure of the indices is very strong. And in this month, we expect a powerful closing. But probably next week, there can be a small pullback. We cannot rule that out. Next is FTSE. FTSE, on the other hand, it formed a bearish harami type candle, but it is more of it's hovering at these last year's close levels. In the monthly, it has formed a spinning top till now, or a spinning top. Yeah, mostly it can be called as a spinning top with a slightly long upper leg, which means in December you can have some rally. But whatever it happens, it is just going to close around the 2022 close. That means in 24 you can have a powerful rally in FTSE. That is what it is. But nothing much to say in the next few days. In the daily chart, it is below all the key moving averages, 50, 100 and 200. So hence it has to break past that and decisively go above, which can happen in 2024 in a decisive manner. CBOE weeks, on the other hand, it is at 11, 12 levels, 14 levels. We had indicated many times, CBOE weeks last week it formed a solid red candle. This week it again formed a red candle going down. In the monthly, if you recollect, we said that it has formed an evening star candle. That is a combination of three candles. I would request people to go into Fibocan, our company's YouTube, where you can see module 9. Candles 9 or 10, which is candle 6 we are talking. We have discussed with the beautiful examples of IPL and other things. I would request people to watch there what is an evening star is. So typical evening star, that is what it is going to form in this month. It has already formed. It is going to close around these levels. But once again, we reiterate that the level 11, around 11, 10.8, 10.11, and 11.05 around these levels act as a very strong support for CBOE weeks, but it is not going to break that easily. We will see dollar index and its components in part 2 of the video or the second video. Thank you very much.